there's not pig farming here?
Over across here. Where they plant pepper. Banana. It's usually be a lot of farmers out there, so they usually plant.
So on the other side of those, what are those bamboo trees over there?
Yeah,
on the far side, and then the mountains.
Yeah.
So the farmland's like kind of in the valley over there.
Yeah.
All right.
But
So
a different section of land. That land is way back over to the valley.
so what's the name of this river?
We normally call out here so bridge, under bridge. So because it's the bridge and the water run under, we just call it bridge. Coming from where some we're coming there.
So what about the night bridge or the night river?
Yeah, they call it Miss Night.
Miss Night.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. So a lot of
Miss
time
Night
boats in America, a lot of time they name their boats after women, Queen something, Miss so and so. So I notice in Jamaica they make a lot of nicknames for everything.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you guys have nicknames?
Yeah.
What's yours?
Billy.
Billy.
Yeah.
But what's your given name?
Andre.
Andre, but they call you Billy.
Yeah.
And how about you? What's your given name?
Nigel.
What's your nickname?
Leechin.
Leechin. I love this stuff. Can you tell me how you got your names?
You don't usually play music, so they just usually say Billy, but normally they usually say Billy Slaughter, but no, I never like that last part, Slaughter.
Right.
So I just
doesn't really have a
Slaughter
nice ring to it.
and say Billy.
How about Leechin? How do you end up with Leechin? From Nigel.
Alright, but always working, yeah? Always have money to spend. So them say, yo, you always have money, man. I'll give you a name, man. I'll give you a money, man name. Leechin.
So you're always working, you're just always making a hustle. Anything particular?
Yeah, I truck my drive. I'm a truck driver.
Oh, CDL, big tractor, trailer
Yeah,
trucks.
man, I just, today is just my day off.
Excellent. So do you do, Jamaica's not huge, so do you go end to end, side to side?
Yeah, the whole Jamaica.
All of Jamaica.
I'll go.
What are you hauling mostly?
Pardon me?
What do you haul mostly? What's your
We do sun, but present, I'm just doing like pastry.
pastries?
Yeah.
So is it a box truck or is it a dump truck? A box truck.
Yeah. Okay. I have dump trucks here, but present, box.
Do you ever carry cargo? What are they called? Cargo boxes or
I
whatever?
can't do it stuff.
Yeah, them carry goods, like goods and carry.
So
But
goods that
full
are being
of
sold, traded, and whatever right here in Jamaica. So, okay, cool. All right, well, I appreciate you guys stopping to make sure I'm okay, because that's really what they did. They stopped to make sure I wasn't broke down or whatever.
so-
Since I got a Honda, and everybody knows Hondas break down a lot, so they wanted to make sure. Even
on
though
the-
everybody in Jamaica loves a Honda, we all
Yeah,
know they
yeah.
break down.
Under our Toyota,
They're the big names here. Exactly.
they are reliable.
Remember your name again?
All right, well,
Yeah.
blessing.